what y'all really wanted to see. We got the Cutlass back, man. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGriff back with another video. Man, I know it's been a minute, but you know what I'm saying? Your boy had needed some time off or whatever. Trying to get stuff situated, but I'm trying to get back on YouTube, trying to be consistent. Finna start pumping these videos out. I got a little goal in my mind for this month coming up, so y'all just stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get back consistent. I ain't gonna let y'all know the goal, but you will try to catch on to the trend when you start seeing these videos start coming out. So, like I say, last video, I had both of my cars, they was down. I ain't even really had no way, but I ended up getting the other car fixed. Only the Dodge Charger, that just needed a starter. So now I'm back on the road with that. And let me show y'all right quick. But we got the Dodge Charger back. Like I said, back to the house. All we needed was a starter for that. But what y'all really wanted to see, we got the Cutlass back, man. We got the Cutlass back. And y'all already know the content is about to jump back off. I got pretty much everything fixed for the Cutlass. Only thing I would need is to get the shocks fixed on the driver's side. The passenger side good, but I'm gonna go ahead and swap both of them out. And so that'll be good on that. But we got it back, man. I've been excited to get it back because it shouldn't have took that long. But, you know, ordering some of the wrong stuff, had to get it fixed. And like I say, when you're dealing with people and dealing with certain things, you know, it don't go as planned, but, you know, eventually we got it done. And, yep, that's pretty much what it is. We ain't got no leaks or nothing. And we back on the road, really. She riding good. The only thing I think I need to change out, I think I'm gonna end up having to get the spark plugs or whatever. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Get the straight spark plugs where they ain't really, with I think the 90 degree. I'm gonna just get the straight so it ain't rubbing against my rubbing up against the damn, what's the name? My long tube header. So that's really what it is. So other than that, we back good, man. Like I said, I got some more sponsorship ready to work with me. So I might be able to get a lot of this stuff fixed a little bit quicker. But you know, I gotta wait on them to ship it off. And you know, I gotta do a video and stuff for them and stuff like that. But like I said, I'm just trying to make sure I'm putting the right stuff on so I ain't got to do it twice. That's really what you want to do with these type of cars. You don't want to do a lot of stuff twice. I spent a lot of money as it is already on the car, so I'm just trying to make sure that the stuff that I'm doing, I ain't got to do it no more for at least a while. You get what I'm saying? So let's get up under the car. Let me show y'all that we got all the leaks and stuff fixed. So as you see, no leaks. Got the oil pan fixed. Not the oil pan, the transmission pan. Got it fixed. That right there was leaking, blowing back off of it. A new gearbox for the power steering, and the water pump. So all that stuff is fixed now. No leaks up under there. I done already drove the car, made sure everything good, but we back, man. Looking real good. I'm gonna pop the hood for y'all. Show y'all else what I got done and everything. And I parked kind of close this time. Man, what that is? I don't know what that is. That's some sticky stuff. Pop the hood for y'all so y'all can see what we got done. Like I say, man, I know it's been a minute. Gotta get back active on the YouTube, man. So, first off, we got the gearbox. It ain't a brand new one, but it's a used one. It worked pretty good for the time being, because the one I had ordered was the wrong one, I guess. And then so we had a used one, and so it was like, just put that on and see what that do for a minute. And it's holding up pretty good. So I ain't got no leaks, no nothing. So everything mounted up real good. So definitely ain't got to worry about that. So I know a lot of y'all was like, damn, you got to get your cold air intake. So as you see, got the cold air intake now mounted up, everything. And like I told y'all, the only thing I gotta get fixed, I just gotta get the new spark plug. See how close they is, but I got the little heat shields over them and stuff like that. Get the new ones, and that's it. Cause I got one right now, the one that's actually rubbing up against it. Cause all the other ones fine. I just got this one. As you can see, that boot is rubbing up against it. So I'm gonna try to get the 90 ones and then have that one coming straight up. And that's pretty much what it is. Like I say, I'm gonna start it up for y'all, but I'm gonna end up putting that into the next video so y'all can hear how she sound, how she running right now. She running a lot better, and that cold air intake make it breathe a lot better. So y'all tell me what y'all think, man. We got the Cutlass back, and y'all already know. I'm ready to get back active, and the temperature done went up. So that was another reason, because I still ain't got the heat and the air in the car right yet. So I only can pull it out when I want to on certain days, because it'd be too cold to drive it, especially like when I drive it to work and stuff. The windows be fogged up, and hell, it take too long for all that stuff. So that's pretty much what it is, man. Finna get everything situated. Like I said, all I gotta do is get the AC lines ran and everything, and I gotta figure out about this blower, because one of these wires for this blower was cut. So I just gotta hook that back up so it can start back blowing, and then we run these AC lines to the AC compressor, and then we back to the good. So other than that, man, y'all just stay tuned for more. I'm telling you, I'm about to get back active. Y'all already know what it is, man. I've been gone for a little minute, but I'm back now. So y'all stay tuned. Get ready for the Cutlass build. Y'all already know what we finna do. We finna go ahead and turn it up for the summer, and gotta put this music in here, because that's really what I'm missing. I need the music, because I can't ride stock radio no more. I need that beat in the trunk, and I need to get them highs. You already know, I already got some speakers in here now, but they ain't playing decent for the radio that's in here, because it ain't able to push it. So I'm gonna end up taking my amp out of my charger, because I don't necessarily use that no more, and I'm gonna end up getting some new speakers for that. That's like a 4,000 watt Mean Machine amp, mono block. So I ain't really gonna do too much. I ain't finna buy all that shit, the new stuff for it. I'm just gonna run it all in this car, and then that'll be my car, because I don't really, man, one thing about sound and all that stuff in like your daily car, shit kill the battery, and I ain't trying to be killing the battery, you know, my daily driver, you know what I'm saying? But when I get in this shit, I'm driving it, boom, 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 park it. Other than that, hopefully it ain't draining. And then, you know what I'm saying, I just keep it with that. But I don't like having all them type of problems on a car that I just want to get in and ride, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I ain't gonna hold y'all for too long. This video was just like a little introducing me back to the YouTube, and I'm finna go ahead and jump back into these more videos, and then y'all gonna see. So the next video, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna end up cranking the Cutlass back up. We're gonna take it on a drive. I'm gonna let y'all hear how she's sounding, how she's driving so far. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.